Welcome to IT Study Path. This is HBK. Last video we have discussed how to install JDBC driver, JDBC software, all these things. Okay, this video, search YouTube, in the YouTube, inside the YouTube, search one channel name is IT Study Park. Simple, hit enter. Watch this video. What is the video name? Session 9 required all software for JDBC download. Okay, for JDBC download and installation step by steps. All these things. Here I had done one mistake yesterday, last session, where I will tell you. Just correct these mistakes. Okay, so pause it and come here, not here. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Play. Here. So don't require to this. Yeah. You can do not choose this. I choose this and it install only database software. But you choose this one, create and configuration database software. Then it will ask. This software it will ask for the database configuration. Okay. So both this video and just change these things and it will automatically ask everything and hit enter. That's it. Put all the details. Thank you. So join this channel, IT Study Park, for more videos about this course. Okay. So now today's discussion is I will show you some examples. Okay. Right. So here come how to create table. This is the program not required here. Okay. I don't want this, but delete. Note section. Today is thing 10th session is there. Prepare JDBC application, insert and update. I will show these things only one example. I will show you. After that we will go for the theory parts. Okay. So I am using type 4 driver. Okay. Prepare JDBC application. So this is the heading. So don't waste time. Open an editor, which I am using Notepad++. So this is the example I have prepared previously, so not required. Save, Control S. Batches inside the batches folder. Come here. JDBC example by using Notepad. Or some 2 or 3 example I will show by using Notepad. Okay. And after that I will use frequently Eclipse ID and NetBeans IDs. Okay. So this is the create for the create table .java. Save it now. So here first create one class, public class, create table. This is the class. So here one public main method is required. Void main string. Okay, this is the argument method. Okay. So now save it. So here first load driver class. What is the way to load driver class? Simple load by using class.forName. All these things I have told you. Okay. So it is the class oracle.jdbc.oracle driver. This is the class. Now establish the connection. So connection. This is the interface. Connection code. All these things I will discuss. Okay, it's connection interface and the statement. All these things. Don't worry. Just I am showing to you example how to create table. So now driver manager dot get connection. So here JDBC colon Oracle colon 10 colon. I will also discuss what is thin, what is the ICU. OCI driver. Okay, thin driver. This is I'm using thin driver to at the rate localhost colon 1521 1521 1521 1521 ORCL. My service ID is ORCL. If you want to know which service ID in your database, so simple. Open SQL prompt. Open SQL. Searching SQL, not LSQL. SQL. And enter. My username is system. My password is also system. And select. I want to check which service ID my database is supporting. Select star from global global underscore name. Hit enter. ORCL. You will get a global name. ORCL. This is the way. Okay. So now, comma, hit enter system. Here is username. Here is password. System. Okay. Now, our driver class is loaded and connection is established. The next steps is what is that? Create the statement. Create statement object. Create statement object statement. This is the interface. Statement st equals to con dot create statement. Okay, now our statement object is ready. And next thing is execute query. Now execute query. So how? I'm creating one table inside the database. So I will use non-select SQL query. Why? Because create table is the non-select query. When we use non-select queries, then we use query update method. What is that? Execute update method. Simple int I. For the backup purpose, I will check table is created or not. So I execute update. This is the method. So here execute update method is there. So here create table. This is the non-select query. Create table like student. Okay. So now yes. So now SID student ID. This is the number type. Pass two number up to the two numbers. You can insert it. Yes name. This is the student name. Type is varchar. Okay, varchar size is varchar 2, size is 20, and SADDR. This is the student address, varchar 2, and simply we are pass the one size of that. Simple. Close the method. Okay, that's it. So our if suppose if I equals to yeah I equals to I not equals to 0. It means I equals to not equals to 0. It means table created successful table created Okay, that's it. This is the way. So now we can print here also I. Okay. Now else part, else system dot out dot println table not created. That's it. Press the I value. I here is I returning 0. So in my case, that's it. This is the total steps to prepare JDBC application. So now I want to import some packages. Import java dot where is this connection is existed where. So in the SQL dot connection package, connection with the interface, import java dot SQL dot driver manager interface driver manager, and next import java dot SQL dot what is that statement. Yes, statement. Where is the statement? Yes, statement. Okay, statement. That's it. This is the total about this. So I want to run this program. So go into the place where is our file is existed. Come here in advanced Java, not there. This here. This open here CMD. Okay. Here first I want to run the program. So this right now it's give to error. We will get a one error. Java C not runtime. Sorry, not compile time. At runtime we will get one exception. I will show you which exception. Okay. Java C. What is that? Create. Any syntaxes error are there, then it will give error. Okay. One syntax error is there. What is that? Create table execute update method string. Okay. Cannot find symbol in I like that. This method I think is not find it. Okay, no issue. Some spelling mistakes are there. Okay, here is everything is fine. Some here. I think so. I execute. Okay. Here is one mistake is there. St dot execute. Yes. St dot execute. That's it. Simple. Run the program. Okay, my God. It's creating. What is that error? 4 error we will get. Unsupported exception. Why? Because we are not handling the exception class not found exception. SQL exception throws. We are bypass using exception propagation. That's it. Now I will go. That's it. Java C. Java create. Dot class is generated. Why? Because what is that? Class not found exception oracle dot jdbc driver. Why? Because we are not setting the path. We are not set the path or the oracle. So I want to like CLS set class path. Okay, set class path. Then you can. I'm using OJDBC6 jar. So where is existed here app folder inside the SDK and product and okay and domain. Go in one by one and here search JDBC folder. Then lib. Under the lib you can find out one file. Okay, I will give all the steps. Don't worry. Control C. Okay, yes. Hit enter and paste it there. Okay. I will show one issue with you guys. What is the issue? Hit enter. You think class is set. You think class is set. Then try to compile and run. What is that error? The issue. Java C. Okay. Create table dot Java. Again compile. Compilation is success, not a creating issue. Okay. Java C create. Now it's giving a one beautiful error. What is that? Let's see. Could not find main class, but main class is there now. Okay, this is the issue. So resolve this issue by using, we are not providing semicolon here. So class path is not this. No, it's creating. Now, okay. It's already, name is already there. One student existed in the table. So I want to drop. What is that? Okay, SQL. I want to drop SQL. 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 Okay. Now open system slash system. Method. Drop table. What is that? Student. Then drop. Drop. Commit. This is the mandatory to perform commit operation. Commit and check select star from student. Is there any table? Not. To run the program once again. Enter create table. Oh, table not created. It means table is not created. Give the error. So let me try. Oh no, table is created, but it returns not equals to 0. It means not equals to 0 mark. 0. Okay. So returns. Why? Because this is the SQL related problem, not our related problem. So don't worry. So just table is created. Here you can put it like I value is 0 now. So it's equals to 0. Table is created here. You can write the logic like here. Create table. Some logic, not created table. Yes. Create table. Okay. So I want to show one more time. Drop the table. Drop the table. Commit. So commit. Commit. Okay. So now run one more time. Compile. Run. Table created. Okay. So now as block is executed by it's returning execute update method, it return 0. 0 value. So that's why it's not equals to 0 now. It's coming with this. Table is created. So this is the total part. I will share with you my note. No. That's it. This is the table creation. Now I want to insert the data inside this table. Now I want to insert the data. So now this is not required. No. I want to insert now. So here table created this table creation. Okay. Okay. Now I want to insert the record. Insert the record inside table. Now, right now, check it. Right now, select a star from here. No rows is existed now. So now I want to insert row inside the table. So hit enter. Sp dot execute update method. Execute update method here. Insert into, this is the predefined sentence, use this only. Insert into table. What is the insert into student? Okay, table name is student, and values. Pass the values here. What is that value here? Number is, you can pass simply, suppose one not one. Okay, and name is, student name is Rohit. Suppose Rohit, and address is, suppose Delhi, not Assam, not Assam. Suppose like Delhi. That's Delhi. That's, okay. So now, that's it. Then it's written, what is that value? Int. Let's check entire. Yes, entire. One more time, I am checking. Yes, same statement. Now it's changing. What is the value it is returning? It's dependent. Okay. Like insert record, inserted. Yeah. Inserted. Here. Record now. That's it. Yeah. That's it. This is the what only modification are required. So one more time, execute, compile the program. If any error, run. Yes. What is the values? Large specify the, okay, column. I think so here we specified two. We passed there. We specified two length, but we passed here. What is that two? So I want to change them. So simple. Compile. Sorry. Compile and done. No, record inserted. It means now it's returning one. Now it's returning well. This is the drawback. Not required. This is not related to Java. This is related to only database related. Okay. So now record is inserted. Let's check record is existed or not. Yeah. SID 10 Rohit Delhi. Inserted or not? Yes. Okay. So now I'm also sharing with this code. Mm, yes. This is for what? I want to write some table creation. Table. Table creation code method. Yes. Table creation code. Yes, there. So I want to change the color. Table. Okay, I will show you how to create table dynamically, but the next session, this session is not possible. Okay, I will show you all this point. I will show you. Don't worry, just be with us. Just join our channel called IT Study Bar. You will get all these things free of cost. Okay, this is the code about the table creation. But I want. What is that? Here I want to paste, and I want to paste the code. This is for what? This is for. This is for. This is for. This is for inserting record. This calls for in record to the database. Okay. So now red is color. Okay. Okay. This is for okay. I highlighted this pointed this line. Okay. In this line, this is line for the creating, and here what is that? This is the line. This is the line. Total this line is creating the tables. Okay. So not required. This line is required. Student development. Here is this table is this line is not required. This line is deleted. Okay, now I will show you how to delete the code. How to delete. Delete is the non-selected, so delete the record. So now delete the record. How to delete the record, I will show you. st.execute update method is same. So now I want to from delete from student, delete from student where SID equals to 10. This is the total query, and I want to check. This query is right or not. Files. Record inserted. Oh, sorry. Record is deleted. We have changed the record deleted. Record deleted. Deleted. Now, record not deleted. I want to show you one more time. Record is already deleted. Now that time record is not good. Record is not good. Why? Because record is not existed now. It's written 0. It's written 0. That's right. Okay. Here. I'll show you the practical also. Here. No recording. Now come here. Now. And now pasting the code. This is for what? This is for what? Code deletion. This code for this code for delete the record in the table, database table. Database table. Inside that, this statement is not required. This one, sorry, this one create table and this all these things are not required. Go delete it and set. Only important query is here. I'm going to highlight this. What is the highlighted query? Just That's it. These three operations I've shown you. These three operations. If you want, then I will show you also one more operation like update. Update, if you want. Okay. Inside the update operation, simple. Nothing to do. First, insert the record. So what should we do? A table is there. I want to insert. So execute this line. Then this record I will update. Okay. So run the code again. Then record will be inserted. Record deleted, it means record inserted. Okay. Record inserted. So now here record is there. Rohit on this. So I want to update the result. Update the update the record. Okay, so how this is the also non-select query. Imagine using non-select query by using execute. Simple st dot execute. Not required to remember all these queries. Okay. Once practice these examples, you will get easily. You will remember all this query easily. Don't worry. Update. This is the keyword. Update student. What is the table name? Student. Student. Update student. Set. Set. Set like name is the same. Address. Suppose address will change. Suppose set ADDR equals to like nowadays is Delhi, like Hyderabad. Hyderabad. That's it. Okay. Now, where it's asking where SID equals to 10. Which record is containing SID 10, SID 10, change the value SADDR Delhi to Hyderabad. Simple. It's executing st.int. I will int. In updating the record nothing the dates. Okay, so now record is updated. Record updated. Record not updated. Now let's try this. Compile. Enter. I think it's existed one more time. Yeah. What should we comment this line? Comment and compile this and yes, record updated or not? Record updated. Let's see. Rohit. Now is before is Delhi. Now is Hyderabad. That's it. You can update. Like if I insert one more record, like same thing. Rohit and updated. Okay. Here you can declare like I instead of I, like J. That's it. No issue. So both the inserted and updated. Compile this. Record is inserted, also record is updated. Let's see. Hyderabad and Hyderabad, na? But we are inserting like we are inserting, this is the very good thing. We are inserting Delhi. After that, insert the record is successfully now. Then after that, this compiler will execute this line. Then this recognize 10 is SID is 10. Is both SID is both student ID is 10. So we can change this. That's it. Simple. This is the simple statement. So now I also share with this code with you. Don't worry, don't worry. All code I will share, all the codes. Let's take. Okay. Now it's good. Okay. I want to fill in this line. This. Yeah. Oh, no issue. What is that? What is that? So remember this code for this code for this code for updating the record, updating the record inside table, inside database table. That is in the red and the tick and highlighted. I'm going to highlight these things. First of all, I'm removing the unnecessary things. Those are not required to here. So delete it. Oh, that. And here is the this one thing I remember. Simple. This line will, this line is this line is yes, this line is this line is updating the student record. That this is the four codes. This is the called CRUD operation also. And some other session, like next session, we will show. We will teach. We will learn how to insert the record dynamically, how to delete the record dynamically. All these things I will show you. Okay, up to this is the enough. Okay, so now I want to tell you something about type. I want to tell you something type Oracle OCI driver. Oracle OCI driver. Okay, this is OCI means type to driver, not required to, I think, to tell you. Okay. Yes. Last session somewhere I think told you one thing. What is that? One thing. Forget it. What is that? I think here. Scrollable. Okay, okay, okay. Scrollable result. Okay. So now I'm giving some definition about the scrollable scroll set. Result set object, about the result set object. Okay. So now result set object is the two types. What is that? Two types. Result set object are existing. This is about related to example. So now this question is about types of result set. Type of result set. So we have two types of result set. What is the two types of result set? First one is for non scrollable. Scrollable result set, and second one is scrollable. Scrollable result set. Okay, these two types of result set are there in JDBC. Okay, so now I'm showing some point. Result set. Result sets. Okay. In result set, see the very good diagram. Don't worry. Yeah, it's good. Two types. What is that two types? First one is and first one is simple. Say non-scrollable result set. Non-scrollable is result set. RS result set. And here is scrollable result set. Scrollable result set. RS. Scrollable result set, two types of result sets are also there. What is the two types? Anisha, I want to copy this. Oh, now here. This is the beauty of result set. What is the first one is the sensitive result set. Okay. Sensitive result set. And second one is the insensitive. Sensitive. Yes. These two result set belongs to which scrollable result set? Okay. And okay. And I want to tell one note kind of point. So remember this. This is the insensitive. This is the sensitive result set. So now by default, one note point is nothing but by default result set is the result set object is the non-sensitive. By default, result set RS. Understand, RS means result set object. Object is non-scrollable. Scrollable object. Okay. This is the note points. Okay. So that's all for the today. Do the practical. Okay. And you will go get these notes on my Telegram channel. Also join our 1 minute. Our Instagram page you can follow, and for the interview daily update, we will get daily interview questions, advanced level daily you will get. To follow this iTrick Study Park, this Instagram page you can follow, and you will get all the type of questions related interview questions and this type of question, and notes also I will upload here. Okay, so we will collect it. You can go and watch. Please follow. So thank you for joining. Thank you. We will meet next session.